Guys, Kukombo City is burning with anger right now, and it all started with one moment that has people calling it a declaration of war. A man crowned as a Nigerian king right here in South Africa. Hey everyone, this is your quick update on the biggest headlines in Mzansi. Here's what we need to know so far. Viral videos and photos lit the fuse, showing Chief Solomon Ogbonna Eziko being crowned Igwe right in the heart of Kukombo. And that's when everything exploded. Angry demonstrators, some traveling from KwaZulu-Natal, marched straight to City Hall demanding answers. And they didn't hold back. One protester called it a direct attack on South African traditions. Another went even further, calling it a declaration of war. Authorities and cultural leaders are now stepping in, saying this coronation is unlawful and completely ignores traditional protocols. But here's where things get even more intense. This protest is no longer just about a coronation. It's now touching on something far bigger: identity, land, immigration. With some protesters sending a clear and controversial message: illegal foreigners will not be tolerated. Now, this wasn't just a protest. This turned into pure chaos. That's it for now, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.